my YouTube family. You're here with Skipper Drones, and this is going to be a quick video here. It's going to be a lot of good flying and content coming for the year 2019. Yes, it is. We have a lot of stuff coming in, and it's going to be a lot of content. Coming in next year. Hello, you guys. You're here with Skipper Drones, and I'm here today to wish each one of you a Happy New Year. I want to say hello out there to the FPV community. I have made a lot of good friends along this journey and a lot of good brotherhoodships. Yes, sir. I got the outro out today for you guys. I don't think anyone has seen it, so I got it out, but I'm about to get ready to go get my hair done. So I just wanted to say Happy New Year to all you guys and much love to everybody. Thank you guys for watching my videos and sharing, and I hope a lot of good flying comes on my channel next year for you guys, and a lot of good content. I'm working on a camera so we can start doing our drone build step by step, you know. And I want to say thanks to all you guys and all y'all support. I wouldn't be this far along if it weren't for you guys, and I appreciate it. And I love you all. Happy New Year. And I will see you on the next video. I'm Skipper Drones, and I'm out. Thank you.